Mr. Boss, please click all notification. Okay? Thank you, Boss. And kay Nafal. Hello, subscriber. Thank you, Ann. Thank you very much. You are from Canada. Bosch. Hello, Bosch. Canada. Welcome to Canada. Welcome, guys. This is Lala Vlog and my daily life YouTube channel, guys. Thank you from country Canada. Kay Bash and kay Nafal. Hello, guys. 3 viewers, 2 viewers. Welcome in my YouTube channel, Lala Vlog. Okay? Thank you, guys. Bash. No, I already subscribed your channel. Ay, thank you. Nag-subscribe na din. Please click all notification bell para updated po kayo sa aming mga
bagong video.
Yes, ikaw nga, Bev. Ikaw nga, gusto ko yan.
Please like and subscribe and don't forget to hit the button for new upcoming videos.
Ang galing. Thank you, boss. Insay pagbasaan na rin. Boss nga, Resok?
Boss Resok.
Resok.
Ganda naman pangalan mo, parang prutas.
Fuan lagi siya, from Canada, from Canada. Hello, from Canada country.
Sana makapunta kami dyan.
This is Philippines, guys. Hello, mabuhay.
Maraming marites dito.
Maraming marites dito, guys.
Maraming country.
Maraming marites dito sa aming country. Wow. Kauna mo, day.
Hotdog, day?
Katong hotdog na duha, akong balot.
Yes, thank you.
Kay sayang kayong lumpia wrapper, tiraman.
Oh.
No, I have a lot of friends want to join but they like air cleaning. Sa ingon niya di?
Malakaon ma?
No, I have a lot of friends. Dagan ko na siya kaibigan. Gustong sumali pero they like my air cleaning. Ay, yung dunggan din niya, yung air niya dito di.
But they're like
Dili sila. Isay buto sa katana.
They like air cleaning. Gusto niyo daw nililinis yung tinga nila. Marami sila tutuli.
Yes.
Pero mga ina ng mga foreigner, no? Mahilig sila maglinis-linis sa ilang mga dunggan. Foreigner like love cleaning air. No? Sinafal naman, puro emoji. Di siguro ni ko ba siya ang English. But anyway, thank you, Nafal. Sige lang siya, si Nafal, sending flowers, sending, hello. Ayan. Basing bata na siya din, no? Si Nafal. Bata, are you children, Nafal?
Are you child?
Are you child? Because you're always sending emoji, heart, flowers. Sige na. Siguro gusto niya yung magliay. So kiliti yan sa mga English sa kiliti di.
It tickles the ears. We
don't like that because it's so kiliti.
Laughing.
Just like crazy. I don't like.
Nafal, are you a child? Why are you sending us emoji? Don't you know how to send a proper sentence?
Si Napal kay baka children is Napal di.
Children, yeah.
Baka you are children, Napal.
Lani is here willing to understand your situation.
Yung baka hindi talaga siya marunong mag-English, but it's okay. We're happy that you always comment.
Yes.
Nagsinding na mo siya og kuan. That's Nafal.
Cute na Nafal.
Bito, una na siya magsinding siya mga emoji.
Kita na si Lani ni mo Nafal.
That's Nafal. Okay. Kung dito naman sa kuano, dito sa YouTube channel, yung iba kay nakakapag-guest di. Kaya ba habang nagla-live ka din, makikita mo sino nagko-comment sa i-accept mo. May mga ganyan eh. Hindi ko alam kung paano nila ginagawa yun eh.